I wonder what's on TV.
Me too.
And now Mr. Michael, with a special weather report.
You're watching the news. And now time for the weather. But first, it's time for the joke of the day. Why did the ducky get arrested? Because he got caught selling quack. Get it? And now, time for the weather. Today's weather forecast is a sunny no-cloud day, sunny blue sky, with a random chance of lightning. So make sure you watch out for those random quacks of lightning. Get it? Quacks? Like a duck? Huh?
Scattered thunderstorms! Let's play some games anyway!
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Hey, Snowy, wanna play Juicy Juice Super Squirt?
Yes, it's one of my favorite games.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, what was that? Was that thunder?
Yes, looks like a storm is coming.
What do we do now?
Let's run right here.
Good idea. Run!
20 minutes later.
What? It's fall already? I didn't get a chance to play Juicy Juice Super Squirt.
There's always next year to play Juicy Juice Super Squirt. There's always next year. How about a nice game of Hungry Pumpkin?
Yay! What? Not again!
Run for your lives!
Run!
20 minutes later.
Hey, Snowy, since it's winter time, let's play Snowball Warrior.
Yay! What? Another thunderstorm? Are you kidding me?
Let's run off you, quickly!
Run!
20 minutes later.
It's big. Let's play Who Wants to Live a Million Years.
Okay, let's do it.
What? 4 thunderstorms in a row?
Run, quick!
Run!
20 minutes later.
Yay! We're back at summertime.
We sure are, Snowy. We sure are. Let's play Juicy Juice Super Squirt.
Yay!